Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So I'd like to begin with the personalization. Let's start with opening the settings. And right here we have to scroll down to find the option Google. Let's tap. Then let's tap on all services and scroll down to find the ads. So right here we've got something called advertising ID, and even though resetting it or removing it will not limit the advertisements, it will basically limit the personalized ads. So I think it's quite good option too. So first of all, let's simply tap on Reset Advertising ID, tap on Confirm, and tap on Delete Advertising ID. Tap on Delete, and as you can see, it will be removed, and from now on you shouldn't receive personalized ads. Another thing which you can do is to try to limit the notifications from apps which are showing you the advertisements. So let's pretend I'm getting a lot of adverts using the Play Store. So just tap on it and hold it, and then tap on App Info. Then we have to go to Manage Notifications, and basically after scrolling to this Alerts section or Essentials, you will see different categories. So try to find any kind of category which is connected with the advertisement. So for example, recommendations. You can simply turn it off just by tapping on the switcher next to it, and thanks to it you will basically limit the notifications connected with the advertisements. Moreover, I highly recommend to download the ad blocks. The ad block for the browser, obviously, and the apps which won't show you advertisements. So let's begin with tapping on Play Store. And let me start with entering ad block. Alright, so here we've got different types of ad blocks. We can download it for the browser, we can download it for overall trying to block the advertisements, etc. As you can see here, we've got the content blocker, VPN, etc. Just make sure that you will use the apps which are highly recommended, highly rated. So obviously this is the best option to choose, for example, for the browser. Second thing which I've mentioned is to use alternatives for the apps which are showing you the advertisement. So for example, let's pretend that I'm using a file manager which shows me a lot of notifications, a lot of advertisements. Then all you have to do is to try to find any kind of third-party app which will replace your file manager. Just enter File Manager, for example, and as you can see here we've got plenty of options to choose from, plenty of file managers, so you do not have to stick to the app which is showing you a lot of notifications. You can try to replace that. Alright, and as a last resort, I also highly recommend to go to the settings. Here in the settings, scroll to the connection and sharing, so at the top of the list, and then tap on private DNS. So usually it is set on the automatic option, but I highly recommend to tap on specified DNS, and here all you have to enter is dns.adguard.com and tap on save. Basically, this option should limit the advertisements. Sometimes you won't be able to open a specific website, but no worries. You can just come back to this option, set auto, then use the website and come back and set specified DNS again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.